It's me again, Lord. Got a prayer that needs an answer. It's me again, Lord. Got a problem I can't solve. Well, I don't mean to worry you, but here I am facing something new, and I need help that only comes from you. It's me again, Lord. Well, I know you're mighty busy in your heaven, forming worlds and hanging stars to shine. But you promised if I ask that I receive it. So here I am, Lord, asking one more time. It's me again, Lord. Got a prayer that needs an answer. It's me again, Lord.